Hey guys, so excited to be installing this Lush wig with you guys today. In the box, they give you with the comb, a wig cap, and 2 combs. That comes in handy, the best. And this 613 lace frontal wig, 13 by 4. First things first, we're going to get that yellow tone out. I like to use shimmer lights in some hot water. The bottle was almost done, so yeah, I did what needed to be done. Be sure to blend out that purple shampoo because you don't want it to stain the hair. That's the worst. Dip that hair, make sure it's well saturated. I went ahead and rinsed off camera. Here's how it looked. I dried it a little so you can now see the difference. But I wanted a darker blonde, so we're going for it. Using Color Charm. 1 tube did the job. You want to put 2 parts developer. I'm using volume 30 and mix it till it's gel like consistency. Like this. When coloring, after applying the color, I always comb through and smooth it out. Getting towards the frontal, I use a comb. You don't need that dark blonde on the knots or lace. I like to use deactivating shampoo because it shows me when the product is all the way out, and then I use silicone as conditioner. So while I do my ball cap method, this bad boy right here helps me dry that hair. It's so helpful. Look how dry that hair got. And you already know prepping the hair is key to a flawless install. For my ball caps, I like to use a really thin cap. I don't like using too much product, so I just use Got2b spray. After it's dry, before cutting, we're gonna apply colored so we can match my complexion. Don't mind the ribs. It happens sometimes. It's really not a biggie. Now I'm cleansing my skin and putting my favorite Skin Guard by Erica J. This is how I apply it. Make sure it's dry. I like to melt the tips of the cap down like this, kind of pressing it down with a tiny bit of glue, and voila. I like to tint my lace using EBIN. Don't be heavy-handed like me though. Okay guys, the combs are the most annoying things on a wig, so we gotta get rid of that. But while you're getting rid of them, be careful. I knew the wig would fit, but just checking and prepping the placement of the wig so it could be easier to lay down. Cut those ear tabs. We're gonna roll the hair back in its place so we can start applying layers of glue. I do 3 to 4. This helps the melt process a lot. Use the comb to smooth the lace down. Elastic band it and let that glue dry. I like to let it dry for about 10 minutes. I guess I do this meanwhile. Okay, now cutting the lace, I do it in a zigzag motion so it's not unnatural looking when laying down. My favorite part, I use hair flex for the ultimate melt. I already took out my baby hairs. While it's drying, I like to use this time to hot comb the hair. Now let's just enjoy the rest of the slay. Trust the process. Okay, it's the slow-mo for me. That's all now, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe.